Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Justin with AmericanTrucks.com, and this is going to be our quick breakdown of the DTWRX DW400 fuel pump module, available for your 2005 to 2013 Silverado 1500. Now, you guys should be checking out this drop-in and go option from DTWRX if you're looking to increase the horsepower in your truck and you need to increase the fueling to meet the new power demands. Now, the DW module here will include the DW400 pump, capable of flowing up to 415 liters per hour, and that is loaded into the plug-and-play factory-style module or housing, all for right around that low to mid $600 price point. All right, so two big features to talk about here with the DTWRX module: increased fueling for forced induction or nitrous applications, and a factory style fit and install thanks to the plug and play wiring and factory installed bucket. Now let's first talk about the increased fueling, because of course that's going to be the number one reason why truck owners might want to install or consider something like this. Horsepower rating with the included DW400 pump may vary slightly depending on who you ask and maybe your setup, but ultimately I'm going to tell you around 800 wheel safely on pump gas here would be a safe bet. Definitely a bit less if you are running straight E85, as that fuel does tax your fuel system a bit more. Now, regardless, I'm always going to tell you guys, consult with your tuner first before making your final decision, especially when it comes to something like fueling. Now, your second feature here with this setup will be the factory style fit and finish thanks to the included top hat. Of course, you got your center section and bucket there and everything that goes along with it. Now, this setup will retain your factory fuel level sensor along with surge features and will be essentially as turnkey as it gets here, guys. So definitely one of the big features there regardless. Now, I will say you can get the pump by itself here on the site if you just needed the DW400 without the bucket. Certainly going to cost you a bit less, but keep in mind this is a drop-in and go setup that doesn't really require any modification to get up and running. All right, moving into construction, and again, the star of this kit is the DW400 pump, currently one of the highest flowing single pumps available on the market today. Now, the pump does feature a 46 millimeter diameter and again will flow 415 liters per hour at 40 PSI. Now, the pump is made in Germany in conjunction with Bosch and will be compatible with pump gas, E85, or race fuel. Now, the pump does get built with some pretty nice internals, including carbon commutators and brushes, and does meet and exceed SAE J1537 specifications. Now, again, that pump is loaded into the factory style housing, including factory style top hat here, correct length center section, and finally your factory style bucket down below. They even give you the plug and play wiring, all of the necessary fittings ready to go. Even got a little AN fitting pre-installed for you up top here. Really makes this pretty painless for the install, as you'll notice when you get this thing home. Now, one important thing to point out here, guys, is that the DW module will require the use of a regulated return style system, so definitely keep that in mind before your purchase. All right, price point for the DW setup will land around that low to mid $600 pricing, which is understandably going to be more expensive than the pump by itself because you're getting everything along with it, of course, but you're paying for the convenience of a plug and play option. Now, you do have some other similar kits here, kind of similar on the site. Snow Performance offers a twin pump kit. Obviously, that's going to cost you a little bit more, but you are going to get more capacity out of a kit like that. But I would say for most mild forced induction or nitrous setups, again, making around 800 wheel with pump gas, maybe a little bit less with E85, this is certainly going to be a solid option. Now, moving into our install, guys, and unfortunately we don't have a step-by-step for you here today on this one, but because of the convenience of the plug-and-play style design, site's gonna call this a soft 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, maybe a couple of hours or so to complete from start to finish. Obviously, you're working around fuel, guys. Make sure you're working in a well-ventilated area away from any sparks or fire. All right, wrapping things up here again. If you are looking to fuel a forced induction setup at home and would love the convenience of a plug and play drop in and go setup, well then the DW400 pump module here would be a solid way to go. And you can grab yours right here at AmericanTrucks.com.